ఆర్తి అగర్వాల్తో కూడా మీరు చేసినట్టున్నారు కదా.
She was lovely. She was a very good soul. Okay. And very bubbly and ante we had just started becoming friends when I got to know this news. And she was ante because I was under a shock because there was some I don't, whether it was controversy or some doubt whether accident or suicide, something like that. But she was very, very, very lovely, and like she was, again, I mean, she was a superstar. Yeah. At one point of time, she was definitely a superstar. She did not have any airs, and she was very, very nice and very jovial and very open to talk to. Yeah. So, but again, as you say, it is luck, and it is how people's lives are. It is. So all this is again a lesson for everyone and all.
Even Harikrishna garu kuda accident lo chaniparu.
Yes, I know that. I heard about that. And even during Lahiri's time, there were certain stunts with the vehicle. So he had a Tata Safari, so he used to do his own stunts.
అవును,
he used to do his
డ్రైవింగ్
own
చాలా బాగా చేస్తారు, ఓన్ డ్రైవింగ్ చేస్తారు.
So at one time I was scared. There was one thing where he had to break a gate. So I said, sir, elagaina nenu kanpadలేదు కదా sir, so I will not sit here. So మీరు కూడా sir, why you are doing it? Let the dude do it.
Don't take risk.
Don't take risk. Aditya, కూర్చో. So okay, కూర్చో bye. So but he used to do all his stunts. So all that was big, all that was big boost to me. Like if such senior people are doing their own stunt and all those things, it was a big boost to me. And he was the first person to come on the sets every day.
Okay.
I was newcomer anyway. They used to, for 7 o'clock, they used to wake me up at 4 o'clock.
It is like that.
Yeah, managers ante kada, managers.
Antega, no doubt అందులో.
So, but surprisingly, Harikrishna garu was always there. And vachinappudu, he was always there. So that was his dedication even in that age, and it was something to learn about, and how much he used to put the focus and everything. It was quite a big learning experience. And even with K. Vishwanath garu, how he used to guide us, and so it was nice. I had good teachers. I did one film with Kodi Ramakrishna garu, but it never got released. So I learned a lot from him also. It was called Sodari Manalara. So it never got released.
Oh.
So and it never got completed. So 40%, 50%. So but whatever 25 days I worked with him, it was amazing. Then I did one film where K. Bhagiraj sir was playing a character. It was called Meent Ki Vaste Em Istaru, Mind Ki Vaste Em Teestaru. Yeah. So K. Bhagiraj garu was playing my senior lawyer.
Okay.
So with him also 15-20 days was like.
Okay.
So I was only asking him about all the films he directed with superstars, with Kamal Hassan, with Amitabh Bachchan and all that. So I was fortunate to,
చాలా గొప్ప వాళ్ళతో మీరు కలిసి యాక్ట్ చేశారు. That's it, you blessed.
Yes.
In that point.
Yeah, the blessed. Even in Hindi film industry, my first guru was Dadamuni Ashok Kumar.
Oh.
So he is like the grand old man of Indian cinema. నేను 95-96లో వచ్చినప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ దాదామునితో కలిశాను. So he took me almost like his foster son. And he taught me everything. He showed me all old clips. He had a projector in his house.
Right.
Kishore Kumar's first shot.
Okay.
Madhubala's first shot. This silent film. He showed me everything on his projector. So, and 1 year he used to lie on his bed. And I used to sit on the floor next to the bed.
Okay.
And he used to show me everything.
Okay.
So then he used to ask me to do it. Now you do like that. So he showed me Dilip Kumar sir's first shot, Kishore Kumar's, Mehmood. So I was very, very blessed. I was very, very blessed in having great teachers. Great teachers. And I was like a sponge. I just wanted to learn. That is why when someone says that, you became busy with this heroine or you were like this, అది all mischief అండి.
సుమన్ గారిని తర్వాత మళ్ళీ ఎప్పుడైనా కలిసారా, ఎప్పుడైనా మాట్లాడారా?
ఈ లాస్ట్ చేతిలో చేవేసిలో సుమన్ గారు కూడా ఉన్నారు.
ఓకే.
బట్ బ్యాడ్ లక్ ఏంటంటే మన కాంబినేషన్
కాంబినేషన్ సీన్స్ లేవా? అయ్యో.
ఆయన ఫస్ట్ హాఫ్లో ఉన్నారు, నేను సెకండ్ హాఫ్లో వస్తాను. సో బట్ ఈవెన్ ప్రెస్ మీట్కి వాళ్ళు ప్రెస్ మీట్ చేసినప్పుడు నేను ఐ వాజ్ బిజీ ఇన్ సమ్ షూటింగ్, సో దే డిడ్ నాట్ ఇన్ఫార్మ్ మీ బిఫోర్. సడన్గా సినిమా రిలీజ్ చేశారు. సో దట్ ఈస్ బ్యాడ్ లక్, బట్ డెఫినెట్లీ he's a very close person. Some even Rajshekhar garu, I did one film called Manya Bangaram with Rajshekhar sir.
మీరు తెలుగు భలే గుర్తుపెట్టుకున్నారు టైటిల్స్.
So our time lo kuda Rajshekhar garu, he was encouraging me so much.
Okay.
And we had some opposite scenes and he was so much encouraging, and he told me, Aditya, you will become a great director one day and you have to make a film with me. He told me like that. He caught my hand and he told me like that.
Okay.
So
వాళ్ళ ఇద్దరు అమ్మాయిలు ఇప్పుడు హీరోయిన్స్.
yeah, I know. I haven't met them in a long time.
Okay.
Almost 8 years అవుతుంది, but Jeevita ma'am and Rajshekhar sir were always so supporting and so loving, and we used to have a great time on Manya Bangaram sets. We used to have such a great time playing cards and playing table tennis all the time.
Okay.
So it was great time with the family, and he's a very family person.
Yes.
Because first hero which I saw, who was such a big family person, you know, that family will be there throughout.
అవును.
Throughout.
అవును.
So I really like that. That says a lot about a person.
Yes, true.
That says a lot about the person. Again, you know, I heard a lot of things about him, and when I met him, then it's like something
Excuse
else.
me.
Yeah.
Hi, this is Isha Chawla.
This is Manara Chopra.
Hi, this is Kartikeya. నేను డైరెక్టర్ తేజ అని.
Press the bell icon for more updates.
For more such videos, please subscribe to iDream.
For more videos, please subscribe to iDreams. For more videos, please subscribe to iDream.
And you're watching iDream Media.
Please like, share and subscribe to the channel.
And don't forget to subscribe to iDream.
Please subscribe iDream Media.
Do subscribe to iDream.
Subscribe to iDream Media.
Do subscribe to iDream Media.
Don't forget to subscribe. Click on the button below.
Don't forget to subscribe to iDream.